Welcome to Module 2, the role of machine learning in transforming legal practices. In Module 1, we explored the basics of artificial intelligence, diving into foundational concepts like machine learning algorithms and the key AI technologies shaping the future. Now, it's time to build on that knowledge and move deeper into how these technologies are revolutionizing the legal sector. This module is divided into four key areas. First, we'll begin with an introduction to ML in law, where we'll discuss the process flow of machine learning, its key features in legal applications, and the significant benefits it brings to the legal sector. Next, we'll explore the role of natural language processing, or NLP, in legal practices. You'll learn about the workflow of NLP, its applications in automating legal research, and how it simplifies complex language analysis. Then, we'll dive into predictive analytics in law. Here, we'll cover the step-by-step process of predictive analysis and its applications, such as forecasting case outcomes and analyzing trends. Finally, we'll delve into the challenges of implementing AI in legal systems. This module will set a strong foundation for understanding the transformative role of machine learning in the legal industry, equipping you with insights to apply these concepts in real-world scenarios. Let's get started. Welcome to the introduction to machine learning in the legal field, a groundbreaking innovation that's transforming how legal professionals work. Machine learning is revolutionizing the legal field by simplifying tasks like case prediction and risk assessment. It helps analyze large data sets, uncover patterns, and improve decision-making accuracy. In this section, we'll explore how ML enhances efficiency and transforms legal practices. Let's explore the flow of the machine learning process, step by step. First, define the problem. Identify what you're solving. Is it predicting case outcomes or categorizing contracts? The clearer the goal, the better the solution. Next, gather and preprocess data. Collect relevant data, clean it up, handle missing values, and format it to make it usable for your model. Then, split the data. Divide your data into training and testing sets. This ensures the model learns effectively and its performance is tested fairly. Select a model. Choose the right algorithm based on your problem, classification, regression, or another type. Train the model. Teach the model using the training data and fine-tune it to achieve the best results. Evaluate the model. Test its accuracy using the test data. Metrics like precision, recall, or accuracy tell us how well it performs. Finally, deploy and monitor. Once ready, deploy your model for real-world predictions and keep monitoring it to maintain accuracy over time. By following this structured process, machine learning becomes a powerful tool in solving complex legal challenges. Machine learning is changing the way legal professionals work, making tasks faster and more accurate. First, ML offers actionable insights. It can automatically scan legal documents, extracting key clauses and identifying risks, saving hours of manual work. Imagine having a tool that flags high-risk provisions in contracts, or even suggests personalized legal strategies based on case details. For example, AI can analyze contracts to highlight clauses that may increase a client's liability, helping lawyers make better decisions quickly. Next, ML is great at spotting patterns in historical legal data. It can identify trends in case law, predict outcomes, and uncover connections between legal arguments and verdicts. For instance, by analyzing past tax evasion cases, ML can predict which defenses are more likely to succeed. In short, ML is transforming the legal sector, offering efficiency and smarter decision-making every step of the way. Machine learning is transforming the legal profession by bringing efficiency, accuracy, and cost savings to the forefront. Imagine being able to process massive amounts of legal data in a fraction of the time it takes manually. With ML, this is not just possible, it's now routine. It automates data processing, extracting key insights effortlessly and saving valuable hours for legal teams. Accuracy is another game changer. By identifying patterns and connections in data that might escape human analysis, ML delivers more reliable predictions and decisions, helping lawyers build stronger cases or make better strategic choices. And let's not forget the financial impact. ML reduces the costs associated with time-intensive tasks, benefiting both firms and their clients. It allows lawyers to focus on high-value activities while routine processes run smoothly in the background. By integrating machine learning into their practices, legal professionals can redefine how they manage data, enhance decision-making, and optimize operations for a competitive edge in the industry. Machine learning and NLP are transforming the legal industry, offering innovative solutions to streamline various legal tasks. These technologies allow legal professionals to automate routine tasks, quickly analyze large volumes of data, and extract key insights from contracts, case law, and other legal documents. With NLP, time-consuming tasks like contract review and legal research are completed in minutes, making the entire process faster and more efficient. Legal teams can now focus on higher-level analysis, while NLP handles the heavy lifting. From improving accuracy in document analysis to enabling data-driven decisions, NLP is reshaping legal tech and enhancing productivity in the legal field. Let's explore the flow of natural language processing, or NLP, and how it's transforming legal practices. First, we start with tokenization, which breaks down large chunks of text into smaller, manageable pieces like words or symbols, making analysis easier. Next, we have named entity recognition, NER. This step identifies and classifies key entities, such as people, organizations, dates, and locations within legal documents, helping you quickly pinpoint important information. Then comes summarization, where NLP generates concise summaries, capturing the core points and vital details of legal texts without losing their essence. We also have sentiment analysis, which assesses the overall tone of a document, whether it's positive, negative, or neutral, offering insights into the emotions or implications behind the language. Another critical component is relationship extraction, where NLP identifies and maps out the connections between entities, like the roles and relationships between parties involved in legal cases or contracts. Finally, text classification comes into play. This organizes legal documents into categories, enabling quick retrieval and more efficient management of large datasets. With NLP, legal professionals can streamline their workflows and gain valuable insights from their documents with ease. Let's dive into the exciting applications of NLP in the legal field, starting with contract analysis. AI-powered tools are revolutionizing the way contracts are reviewed. They can quickly analyze legal documents, identifying key clauses, risks, and inconsistencies, and even extracting important data points and obligations. With AI, contract review time can be slashed by up to 50%, while simultaneously flagging potential risks and helping legal teams spot discrepancies faster. Next, let's talk about case law research. AI is transforming the research process by automating document review and case analysis. Advanced algorithms help identify relevant cases and legal authorities in no time. Platforms like LexisNexis and Westlaw are now incorporating AI, offering features like case prediction and trend analysis. These tools don't just help find the right cases, they also uncover patterns in legal reasoning, ensuring researchers stay on top of the latest developments. Moving on to legal summarization, AI now assists in generating concise summaries of complex legal documents, contracts, and case law. Tools like Kira's Smart Summaries quickly break down contract terms and clauses, enabling lawyers to grasp key points without needing to read everything in full. This boosts efficiency, especially when dealing with large volumes of information. Finally, compliance monitoring has been streamlined with AI. AI-powered tools continuously assess an organization's adherence to regulatory requirements. These systems can automatically track regulatory changes and alert firms when action is required. By identifying potential compliance issues and risks early, AI helps firms prepare audit reports and meet deadlines more efficiently, all while enhancing data security and ensuring strict adherence to compliance policies. With these NLP applications, legal professionals can work faster, smarter, and with greater accuracy, ensuring they stay ahead of the curve in an increasingly data-driven world. Predictive analytics in litigation is revolutionizing the way legal professionals approach cases. By utilizing artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms, we can analyze past case data to uncover patterns and insights that offer a glimpse into potential case outcomes. This powerful tool helps predict not only the likelihood of a successful verdict, but also the chances of a settlement and potential risks. With these insights, lawyers can make more informed decisions, craft stronger strategies, and ultimately gain a competitive edge in the courtroom. Let's dive into the process of predictive analysis, where data meets strategy to shape the future of your legal decisions. In predictive analysis for legal practice, we start with data collection, gathering relevant information like past case records, client details, and industry trends. Next, we move on to data cleaning and preprocessing, where we ensure the data is clean and in the right format, removing any inconsistencies or missing values. Then comes the exciting part, predictive model building. Here, we use machine learning algorithms to train models that help forecast case outcomes, assess risks, and even predict potential settlement opportunities. After building the model, we dive into insights and recommendations. The output of the model offers valuable information like the likelihood of winning a case or the best course of action for your legal strategy. Finally, iterative refinement ensures that predictive models improve over time. We continually monitor their performance, making adjustments as needed, ensuring that insights remain accurate and reliable for your legal practice. In short, predictive analytics gives you the data-driven edge, allowing you to make smarter decisions faster. Welcome to the exciting world of predictive analytics in legal practice. Let's start with legal case outcomes prediction. Imagine being able to forecast case outcomes before they happen. AI does just that. By analyzing historical data, precedents, and key factors, it provides you with data-driven insights, helping you assess risks and identify settlement opportunities. With AI, lawyers can develop more effective strategies based on these predictions, making them one step ahead in their cases. Now, let's talk about decision support for legal professionals. AI is here to assist you in making smarter, data-driven decisions at every stage of the litigation process. It can guide you in strategy development, giving you insights that enhance legal planning. AI also plays a key role in settlement negotiations, predicting outcomes based on relevant data. It even helps you optimize resource allocation, ensuring that you're using your time and personnel in the most efficient way possible. Finally, we come to optimizing litigation strategies. AI and machine learning dig deep into past cases to uncover successful strategies. It provides tailored recommendations based on the unique circumstances of your current case. By leveraging historical data, it helps predict outcomes and craft strategies that give you a competitive edge. AI learns from past successes, ensuring that you make more informed, effective decisions moving forward. Now, how does this all work together? Predictive analytics and AI tools give you the power to strategize with confidence, predict outcomes with precision, and make data-driven decisions that can elevate your legal practice to new heights. Stay tuned as we explore how these technologies continue to revolutionize the legal landscape. As we explore legal AI, it's essential to understand the challenges involved in implementing machine learning, ML, natural language processing, NLP, and predictive analytics in the legal field. First, we must address handling large data volumes. Legal AI systems need to efficiently process massive amounts of data, contracts, case files, and documents without compromising on speed or accuracy. Next, there's improving accuracy. In the legal field, precision is key. AI must be highly accurate to provide reliable insights for tasks like document analysis and decision-making. Finally, optimizing time is essential. Legal professionals need quick access to data and insights to make informed decisions fast. AI must keep up with the demands of a busy legal practice to be truly effective. To overcome these challenges, focusing on efficient data management, precision, and fast responses will unlock AI's full potential in legal work. Now that we've covered the key challenges, let's put this into practice. Think of a legal process in your work that could benefit from AI. Whether it's using predictive analytics, NLP, or automated contract review, identify a specific task where AI can improve efficiency or accuracy. Write down your thoughts as we prepare to move on to the next module. I'm excited to hear how you plan to apply AI in your legal journey and use these tools to work smarter, not harder.